friends, today I am going to prepare lemon rice. The ingredients of lemon rice are boiled rice 1 bowl, dry peanuts, white gram dal 1 tablespoon, 8 to 10 dry red chilies, 3 to 4 tablespoon of lemon juice, raw mango, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 1 little piece of ginger chopped, 1 tablespoon of sugar, grated coconut 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon salt, tablespoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon of oil. Let's start the recipe. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoon of oil. As the oil gets heated, we add dry red chilies to it. One tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Add 1 tablespoon of white gram dal. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Roast them properly. Add cashews. As you see, the ingredients are get roasted. We add ginger to it. Raisins, dry curry leaves and raw mango. Grated coconut. Turmeric powder, salt to taste, lemon juice 2 to 3 tablespoons, adding rice to this mixture. We mix them well. Two tablespoons of water to it. Add the masala, get mixed well. Keep this on flame for 2 to 3 minutes. See, the rice are ready. Now we serve them in a platter. Add half tablespoon of sugar to it before serving. dry coconut. Mix them well. With dry coconut, curry leaves. The tempting lemon rice are ready to eat.